love OMAD. 2 pounds down from yesterday. And we're going keto. This is literally after just 1 day of OMAD. 1 day of OMAD. And yes, the scale did creep up, guys. I kind of had some issues, but we are back on track. I'd be lying to you guys if I say the journey is perfect. It's never perfect. I failed my way into losing over 110 pounds, and I will continue to fail my way into losing weight. Guys, it's been tough. Why has it been tough? Well, what happened was I got too accustomed to not counting my calories. I got too accustomed to trying to do things the OMAD way when I was not doing things the OMAD way. The reason why people gain weight on OMAD is because they're not doing OMAD, and I was not doing OMAD. So basically what happened was I increased my intensity at the gym. I was working out like a champ, day in and day out, and I was not giving my body enough time to recover. And then I stupidly decided to try to do OMAD. But what would happen was, after the gym, I would eat and eat and eat. And considering that I struggle with BED and I was not used to calorie counting anymore because I stopped counting calories for about a couple months after doing the 23-1 intermittent fasting method, I just kind of went haywire and I was like, well, I don't have to count my calories. But I wasn't eating within a half an hour eating window. So there you have it. But I wasn't doing OMAD correctly, so I put on weight. It happens. But I'm not even worried because this is how I've been looking, A. And B, I've been really pushing it at the gym. So part of that weight is swole muscle. Part of that weight is water. It's all water weight because I'm still a size medium. I'm still fitting in my clothes. The only thing that got a little tight were my bras because for some reason when I gain weight, I gain it all in this area. Don't ask, I'm blessed. All right, we are over 24 hours into my fast, 24 hours and 26 minutes, and I'm about to break my fast. I plated my food, everything's ready to go, and this is a keto OMAD meal. This is a more fancier keto OMAD meal. I've actually been craving beef liver. Maybe I'll do that for the next one. But anyway, here you have it. There is a T-bone steak off the bone. I'll show you the rest of the steak. It's right here. I'm not gonna eat it all because it's way too many calories. But here you have it, some edamame, some eggs, some bacon, and my source of fat is some coconut oil with some almond butter and some 95% dark chocolate. Now, the macros for this meal, there is quite a bit of protein. I don't like it. Usually I max out at 90 grams of protein, but today I'm having 86 grams. I like to be in the 60s, but it's okay. It's okay. I don't know. Is this traditional keto? We'll see. The protein might be slightly pushing it, but it might be okay considering my muscles are swole. Fat is at 99 grams and carbs is at 7 grams, and we've got calories at 1,324 grams. You know what? I would still consider this classic keto, even though it's a little bit off. I think it's fine. So that's almost 3 pounds down in a day. And I wasn't even trying, and I did light workout. So I should explain what my plan is right now. And yes, I have talked to Cole Robinson, and yes, this has Cole Robinson written all over it. So because I was exercising too hard and putting myself in a hole, as I always do, I need someone to rail me back, and it only takes a Cole Robinson to rail me back. It's really hard for people to control me, especially my baby daddy. Anyway, I'm not saying Cole's controlling me, but I'm listening to him because he knows what he's doing. So this is my plan. I do OMAD on days that I don't work out intensely. So this is what I'm doing. I'm working out really intense for 2 days during that week. 2 days during the week, I push it hard AF. And what happens is between those 2 workouts, I do 2 full body workouts. Why? Because I'm healing. I need time to recover. The next best method is to do a 2-day split or a 4-day split, 2-day upper body, 2-day lower body. But because I want to lose weight, this is like the best method to do it. And this is what Cole suggested. 2 full body days of resistance training. I want to give myself 2 to 3 days between both of those full body days to recover, because I was not giving myself time to recover if I was working out like an insane person, like 5 days in a row. That wasn't working out for me. And then on the other 5 days of the week, I'm gonna do light exercise. So like today, I went to the gym, I went on the bike for 20 minutes, I did some core, I did some resistance band training with my glutes, did some bridges, just did some simple stuff. And I was able to hold on to my OMAD fast better. So what Cole told me to do is definitely working. So there you have it. So on days like today, I will do my Keto Omad. On my resistance training days, which is 2 days out of the week, where I'm pulling on weights, so strength training days, I will be doing a 2MAD, and I will be introducing carbs to my meal that is prior to my workout. So I will wake up, have a carb meal with, protein and what have you. I'll have a normal looking meal. Maybe I'll have some oatmeal. I don't know what I'll have. I'll show you how that day looks like. And then I will go to the gym, work out like for 3 hours because I'm crazy. And then I will come home and have more of my meals. And during those days, I am capped at 1,600 to 1,700 calories. Those are the numbers Cole gave me. He says play with it. You got to figure it out in terms of the weight logging. So yeah, there you have it. Anyway, enough babbling. I want to break my fast. You know what? Let's do a steak. I haven't had steak in so long. I haven't bought steak because steak's expensive, but I bought this $30 steak. When the going gets tough, you get tougher. You cannot let the struggle defeat you. In fact, you have to shift your mindset to the struggle. The struggle will get you to your goals. It is in the struggle that you overcome. Too many people fail on their weight loss journey because they give up. Do not give up. Do not stop. If you stop, you are failing. True failure lies in not continuing forward. True failure does not lie in making a mistake and falling on your face. Falling on your face is part of the process. It is okay. You have to detach your emotions from the situation. Just because you screwed up and you may have had a day of binging, or you are having difficulty sticking to your nutrition because life is a bit stressful, detach the emotion from it. You are not that result. You gotta fixate on solutions. Do not fixate on the problems. You screwed up, so what? Just get up and try again. You cannot let the circumstances defeat you. If I did that, I would probably be 300 pounds right now. Look at me, shoulder taped up. My knee is messed up. I just did a concussion test yesterday and I found out that my brain is nowhere near where I thought it would be. Because I'm in this la-la land thinking I'm already fully healed, but everyone's around me is like, yeah, not quite yet. So you have to see yourself outside of your situation. Don't be a quitter, show up for yourself. Anyway, I failed my way into losing 113 pounds, and I failed my way meaning that I made mistakes and I got on top of those mistakes and I kept going. The true secret to success on losing your weight loss journey is to keep going. Anyway, if you made it this far into this video, make sure you drop in a bunch of star emojis, and I'll be seeing you later today for a YouTube Live. Take care. Bye.